The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD chassis combines robust capability with advanced engineering, ideal for demanding tasks. Featuring the Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel for impressive towing power and an automatic rear-locking differential for enhanced traction, this chassis is built to tackle any challenge. Step inside to find a premium audio system for an immersive sound experience and turn-by-turn navigation for effortless, intuitive guidance on every journey. Call or visit Capital Chevrolet GMC of Lexington today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500